Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have multiple PDF files that you want to combine into a single document on your Mac. The good news is you don't need to install any third-party apps or pay for expensive PDF softwares. macOS comes with a built-in app called Preview that lets you merge PDF files in just a few clicks. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to combine PDF files on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open the PDF file you want to use. Okay, double click and open it in Preview. If it opens in another app instead, just simply right click the file, then choose Open With and select Preview. Okay. It is important to open it on Preview. Now the step 2. You can see at the menu bar, top menu bar, View option. Just simply click on View. Now you can see here thumbnails. Okay, just select thumbnails. Now a sidebar will appear. In my case, it is already selected. That's why it is showing here. On the left, a sidebar will appear on the left showing every page in your PDF. This makes it easy to insert additional PDF files exactly where you want them. Now, find the second PDF you want to combine. Okay, I will add it at the bottom. You can add between the pages as well, but I want to add it at the last. Select it. Now, you can see here, I want to add this. Let's suppose this PDF. I will drag it at the bottom and leave it. That's it. As you can see, it is added successfully. Simply drag the PDF from Finder or desktop where you have located it and just drag it to the sidebar, thumbnail sidebar. Now if you want to rearrange the pages, just simply select the page and drag it. As you can see here, just select the page and drag it. And if you want to delete any of these pages, just simply select the page and press the delete key like this. That's it. Your pages will be deleted successfully. Now let's save the PDF. Simply click on File. Now you can see here Save. Just simply click on it. Now your PDF is saved. If you did rather keep the original PDF unchanged, you can simply click on File at the top menu bar. Now you can see here Export. Simply click on it. Now just give it a new name, Combine PDF. Now select the location where you want to export it and then click on Save. That's it. As you can see, my new combined PDF is ready here. And that's how you can combine PDF files on your Mac using the built-in Preview app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.